What is up, guys? Yeah, good morning. So today my sister is coming. Yeah, all right. So yeah, today my sister is coming and outside looks beautiful. Look outside. Outside looks like a beautiful day right now. So she's coming. I think I am just a little bit late, but I should be able to arrive there on time and pick her up. I think the airport's like 20 minutes away, so I don't have to worry too much about anything going crazy. The foundation that I'm using is the Kiko Milano Skin Tone Evolution Foundation, and I'm gonna test it out today to see the longevity of it, how it looks after a couple hours of wear and all that other stuff. But I think it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. And the lips are from Kiko Milano as well, so don't have to worry about that. But I am going to head to the airport and pick up my little sister. So let's dip out. I think I'm gonna take a taxi over there and see. Ooh, yay. All right, pick up sister time. So I'm here at the airport and my sister landed. Right now she's in the bathroom putting on some contacts, and we're gonna get a taxi and then we're gonna head back to the hotel, and then we can talk some more and you guys can see my sister. But she is here, she's safe, she's good, and pretty much we're just gonna start everything off.
I was just about to take a picture. I was just about to do that. Hello.
What's up? How you doing?
Doing good.
That's
I'm about
great.
to go on the subway here in Berlin, and it looks very clean.
The cleanest subways ever. Well, not really clean.
Really,
but
it's very clean compared to New York.
compared to New York, it's really clean.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go to brunch. We are going to Benedict's, which is a really good brunch place here in Berlin. And when we get there, I'll show you guys exactly what we eat and everything else.
That's right.
It seems so peaceful. Oh, wow. I should have brought my little stick thing. All right, so we are at the Berlin Zoo.
The Berlin Zoo, and we got our map on deck. We just had a beautiful time at the Benedict. We had a nice brunch. We had somebody sing to us. His name was Louis, and he sounded very good. He had everybody clapping and everything. Even this lady who was in her car was like, "Okay, encore." But now we're gonna go and see different animals at the zoo. We're gonna make a pit stop at the elephant house first. But it's so many different stops that we have here.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm interested to see what type of animals Berlin has to offer, honey.
We are definitely gonna go on our adventure today. And just like she said, we're gonna start off with the elephants and then roam around. So far the weather is beautiful. If you guys are not from Berlin, basically it's always cold, rainy, but as you can see, the sun is shining.
Yeah.
The weather is great, so we're all good.
This is really
all good in the
spring
neighborhood.
at its finest, really, because you see some people in short sleeves, some
Oh,
people
yeah.
with a light sweater on, you
Oh,
know,
yeah.
just because the wind blows, but it's very, very beautiful out today.
It's really, really nice out. So I'm thinking there's supposed to be an animal over here, but I don't see an animal. Like, where you at, Holmes?
It says low.
It says, so I'm guessing a lion? Yeah, it's supposed to be a lion. How do you say lion in German, Gabby?
Linnae, right? What is that?
No, I think it's this.
Low. I don't know now. I can't speak this language.
Can y'all find the lion? Where's the lion at? Where you at? Simba. Mufasa, where you at, Mufasa?
Oh my gosh.
Just imagine if a lion would have jumped over. Like, I'm pretty sure the lions run and jump, they could probably reach here. You know what I mean? It's gonna be like Harambe all over again. This place is
Oh,
really...
look, the aquarium. Okay, so the aquarium is right here.
Ooh, alright, aquarium.
Well, we can go here first and then we'll circle around and go to the elephant house.
The aquarium?
Right, since it's just right here.
Alright. It's all good. Boy, if I ever seen anything like that at the aquarium, or inside an aquarium, or in a tank.
Oh, I'm running, honey.
Exactly, I'm gonna be gone.
I am taking off.
Look at this thing. It's crazy. So, let's see. We're gonna go upstairs.
So beautiful. Look at the architecture.
Ooh,
of it all.
look at the little, this is a cute little moat. Ooh, they have Kiko fishes.
Oh, nice.
Hey, fishy. Those things are huge.
They are. What are they feeding?
I'm on steroids, duh. But these are beautiful. Really beautiful Kiko fish. All right, let's go on through. So we got jellyfish here. This is what SpongeBob be hunting. These are pretty cool. I wonder what jellyfish eats, you know?
I'm not sure what they eat.
That was really cool.
Weird.
All right, what they got in here? What they got in here? Oh, that pig behind.
Where? Oh, where's
That thing down there. That is huge. That is huge. Look at that.
Oh my god.
That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, what?
This is, I don't know, it's different things, I'm guessing. Flounder?
All right, if y'all can tell me what that says, let me know. Because I don't know. Oh, trout.
Oh, okay.
And then gray region, barbell region, game region, flounder. So these things are huge. Oh, I think this is what it is right here.
Oh yeah, that's what it kind of looks like.
Yeah.
I can see that has that fin.
That thing is huge.
It is. This is
Oh my gosh.
And we got some fish over here.
I think it's dead. Like it's not moving.
I'm pretty sure they got a sign that says do not touch. Have you ever seen that video where people are tapping on the glass and you can hear like you're the fish?
You can hear what?
Like you can hear it do 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 to like it's loud. It's a movie.
Oh, so that's why they tell you don't, because it irritates the fish. Oh, this is where the region that the those fishes are at. Ooh, okay, okay.
Oh, these are some big eyed fish.
These are so cute. They're so pretty.
Everfish. That's nice.
Something wrong with that one back there.
Seems like everything's like living and breathing, like the algae is moving.
Ooh. Oh, those are the what are those things called? Orchards?
It's something like that.
That's crazy, huh? Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. They're beautiful.
They got a long nose. Or snout.
Look at Dora. Dora. Hi, Dora. These are pretty. Very pretty. I think your picture's gonna turn out a little bit better than mine. Oh, there goes Dora. Hi, Dora. Wow, these are beautiful. We out here in these streets with the elephants. There goes my sister. Hey. Hi, elephants. Hey.
Yes, so that's saying it's probably trying to cool off.
Look at this lion. It's beautiful.